kit assembly for the Deluxe Pro Double Retractor is quick and easy. Begin by removing all pieces from the convenient carry case. Assemble the shock corded pole and insert it into the hole located on the base. Flip open the lever on the pole and adjust the pole to your desired height. Flip lever shut. Gently pull up on one of the snap rails as you lean the base backwards. Attach the snap rail to the top of the telescoping pole. Lean base back into standing position. Gently pull up on the other snap rail as you lean the retractor backwards. Attach the snap rail to the top of the telescoping pole. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of the Deluxe Pro Double Retractor. To retract the Deluxe Pro graphics, gently tilt display backwards. Remove one of the graphics from the telescoping pole. Gently allow it to retract in the base. Do not let it go. Gently lean retractor backwards as you remove the second graphic from the telescoping pole. Gently allow the graphic to retract into the base. Do not let go of the graphic.